What's up, guys? Polisher vlog. Today is January 6th. I'm in the wash truck right now for Sinister Shine Shop. It's got a wash contract every night for Grand Valley Fortifiers. Reason why I'm filming it today because my dad, Sinister Shine Shop, January 4th had a heart attack. He's in the hospital. He's fine. He's gonna be okay. So he needs someone to fill in. Now, it's winter. It's freezing. I hate prepping my own stuff to polish in the winter, and now I'm about to go out every night for the next however many nights, washing 8 to 12 trucks. It sucks, but anyways, I'm gonna film it. Yeah, it's gonna be cool. Freezing cold, awesome. Should be fun. Anyways, guys, so we're on our way there right now. We're getting diesel. We'll set up when we get there, and you can see how it goes down. Until then, peace! What's up, guys? Okay, we're here on site. Truck number 1. So basically what we're doing is soap and rinsing. This particular type of washing is to decontaminate from farm to farm so they don't bring diseases. That's what we're here for. That's what you see the little mat. Contains all the water, and we suck it up and we dispose of it properly. So I'm going to set up the camera. I think I'm going to do a time lapse, and yeah, we'll get washing the first one. Not too cold yet, but when the sun drops, it's going to be cold. What's up, guys? Okay, so it's our second last truck. One more to go. I hate winter washing. I mean, my body's pretty warm. I got a good jacket, snow pants. I got Baffin boots. They're supposed to be good until -50, but honestly, my toes are freezing. So I don't know, Baffin, I think you've been lying about that, bud, because it's only like probably -10, if anything, out here, maybe -5. But yeah, I got to get to it. My brother-in-law's over there. He's already soaping, but I just wanted to do a little interlude for you guys. Back to it. Get to washing. Peace.